Let's create a data visualization to track incident trends over time. First, navigate to Data Visualizations under the Add New Element tab and create a new visualization. To populate the visualization, add a data source. We'll use the incident indicator. To refine the data, apply a custom condition. Filter the data to incidents created within the last 3 months to get a complete picture. Let's add this source. A line chart will automatically generate as this is the standard for time series data. To gain further insights, let's compare incidents to business duration. Add the business duration indicator as an additional data source. A new line representing this data will appear on the chart. For better clarity, switch the visualization from a line chart to a column chart. To further customize the visual, adjust the chart type and y-axis scale for each metric. With your visualization complete, integrate it into your dashboards or save it for future use.